Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞, and today Apple has released iOS 15.1 final version along with iPadOS 15.1, watchOS 8.1, tvOS 15.1, homepod OS 15.1 and macOS Monterey. But in this video we will talk about iOS 15.1 for iPhones and what's new in it. And if you want to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and also it will help our channel to grow. As you know, the size of the updates depend on from which version you are coming from and the devices you are running. I am using iPhone 11 and the build number for iOS 15.1 is 19B74. It's the same as iOS 15.1 RC. So if you are running beta and install the RC version, don't worry, all the features and build number are same. Now the biggest feature that you will get with iOS 15.1 is the Facetime. Now in iOS 15.1 you will get SharePlay and screen sharing. As you know, SharePlay was gonna come in iOS 15, but later they discontinued it and released it in iOS 15.1. Now SharePlay is back, where you can watch movies and listen to music with your friends. At the same time, you can also share your screen with someone. Also, we have changes in camera app. So if you go into settings and camera over here, now we have here is show detected text instead of live text. It's the same feature, just has been renamed. Also, we have auto macro. It switches to the ultra wide camera, capture macro photos and videos. Now you get the option to turn that off. And also we have here is the ProRes toggle here inside of the settings as well, and you can see how much space everything will take up. Auto macro and ProRes are only for iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. Also, the announced calls little icon has been changed. Another update is that in Photos app, if you search something like pet or hero, you will get these suggested searches like animal, raptor, bird, etc. And you can choose any categories from these suggestions. Also in Photos app, if you go to edit photos, the filter icon has been updated in iOS 15.1. Now in Apple Wallet, you can also add COVID-19 vaccination card that allow you to present it as a verified vaccination information to malls, business meetings, etc. Also now Translate app support Mandarin Chinese language. Just select the language from here and write anything and you will get it translated. Also in Weather app, if you go to temperature, now you will see all these things in light mode. Previously these were in dark mode in iOS 15, but now it has been changed and it looks much better in iOS 15.1. Also in Shortcuts app, we have new option that allows you to overlay text on images or GIFs. And also the set dynamic wallpaper was having issues before, but now they are working properly. So that's all the new features, updates and fixes in iOS 15.1. Let me know in the comment if you have installed iOS 15.1 and how it's working for you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.